Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Rakesh Forum. Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1.1, fourth task. So in previous session we have learned the third task, how to place the commas according to Indian system and how to write according to Indian system in words. So now today we'll understand fourth task, insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system, and how to place the commas according to international system and how to write according to international system in words. So firstly, we'll understand, so I'll write the given number 7 8 9 2 1 0 9 2. So according to international system, place values ones, tens, hundreds, after every 3 digits comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then again comma. After every 3 digits we have to place the commas, and then million, 10 million. So this is according to international system. So we'll place the commas according to this. So that is here after 3 digits 290 we have to place comma over here, and then 129. So this is thousand place, and then million place will be as it is. So we have to write in words. So this is how to place the commas in international system. After every 3 digits we have to place the commas. So 10 million, million, so this is 78 million. 78 million in thousand place, how much is there? 9 to 1. So 921,000. So in each place 100 0 is there, and 10th place 9 is there. So 1 place 2, so that is 92. So that is 78,921,092. How can we write in words this? 78 million 900 21,000, because it is in thousand place. 21,000, nothing is there in 100 place, so directly we can write it as a 92. So this is how to write according to international system. So this is 78,921,092. Now similarly we will understand the next question. So that is how to write according to international system, how to place the commas, and how to write in words according to international system. Firstly we will write the given question. Firstly we will write the given question: 7 4 5 2 2 8 3. So now we will write the place values. So that is ones, tens, hundreds. Then in international system, as we know, after 3 digits, after every 3 digits we have to place the comma. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000. After thousands also 3 digits, then we have to place the comma. Then million, it will be continued: million, 10 million, 100 million. So now according to this we'll place the commas to the given question. So that is after 3 digits 382, here we will place the commas, and then 1000 place, that is also 3 digits 254 comma. So it is, now we have placed the commas according to international system. So now we will write in words. So this is in 7 is in million place, so this is 7 million. 452 in thousand place, that is 452,000, and 283 are in unit places, so that is 283. So how we can write in words? 7 million 452,000 283 283. So this is how to write according to international system. 7,452,283, and as we know, we have to place the commas after every 3 digits. Similarly, now we'll understand the next question. See how to place the commas according to international system and how to write in words according to international system. So as we know, in previous sessions, similarly we'll write question C now. So firstly we'll write the given question: 99985 102. So firstly we'll write the place values according to international system: ones, tens, hundreds. Then as we know, commas according to international system, after every 3 digits we have to place the comma. So here comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So then again in 1000 3 digits are over, so we have to place the comma here. Million, 10 million. So then it will be continued: million, 10 million, 100 million, again it will be comma, then billion. It will be continued. So as we know, after every 3 digits we have to place the commas. So I will place the commas according to international system. 201. So I will place here after 3 digits of unit place, and then 1000 places 3 digits. So that is 589. So then I will keep as it is here: million and 10 million. So now I will write in words according to international system. So that is 99 million. 1000 place, how much is there? 985. 985,000 985,000. Then unit place, how much is there? 102. In unit places, 110 and 1 place, how much are there? 102. So that is 100, 102. So now this is nothing but how to write according to international system. So that is 99,985,102. So last question: insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. So we learn how to insert the commas and write in words according to international system. This is last question. In previous sessions we have learned. So similarly, firstly I write the given question 4804983 1. So as we know, we have to place the commas after every 3 digits. So I don't place the commas first. First I will write the place values according to international system. So that is ones, tens, hundreds. We have to place the comma over here, and then thousand places thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then we have to place the comma million, 10 million. So now, as we know, in international system, after every 3 digits we have to place the comma. So I will place the comma here. After unit places 831, I will place the comma. Then after 3 digits of 1000 places, I will place the comma. So that is how to place the commas according to international system. So here now we will write in words. So 48 are in million place. So that is 48 million. And there is nothing in 100,000 places. So but in 10,000 places 4 is there, in 1000 places 9 is there. So that is 49,000. In unit places 831 is there. So that is 831. So how to write in words according to international systems? 48 million 49,000 800 831. So this is how to insert commas according to international system and how to write in words according to international system. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.